And now again I'll go to settings. And there you see guys, this theme option is available. Thumbs up. And right now the light theme is available. I'll change it to dark theme and say OK. So this is so awesome guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another great and exciting tutorial where I am going to talk about WhatsApp dark mode. So these days the dark modes in different applications are trending too much, but WhatsApp has not yet released any official dark mode or dark theme as of now. I'm not sure what could be the reason to not make it official, but there is also a good news that they have released this dark theme feature in their beta version. So this is my normal WhatsApp. So here it's still in bright mode, or I can say the normal mode, and if I go to settings, I cannot see anything which says theme or any other option which can switch this white background to a dark background. So still I'll go to help and show you what version is it. So this version says 2.19.360. So this is the official version from Play Store. But I have the version from WhatsApp beta which has this dark theme available. So I'll quickly open my file manager, and the version which has this dark theme available is 2.19.361, not 360, which is the official version. But in order to install this version, you will have to remove the existing version, as this is a separate download and is not available yet in Google Play Store. So I'll uninstall the existing version, and in case if you want to take backup, then you can take the backup. I don't need the backup as such, so I am not taking any backup, and I'll directly uninstall. So now I'll install this dark theme version, and all the links you will get in the description below. So now it says app installed. I'll open it. So guys, the WhatsApp is installed now, and I'll go to settings, and guys, still you can see there is no theme option available, but you don't worry, I'll tell you still why it's not available. But meanwhile, we'll go to help and just see the app info, and here you can see the version says 2.19.361. So now I'll tell you why this option is still not available. Because we have to force close this application WhatsApp once, and then we have to reopen. So I'll go to app info, and I'll just do a force stop once. And now again I'll go to settings. And there you see guys, this theme option is available. Thumbs up. Right now the light theme is available. I'll change it to dark theme and say OK. So this is so awesome guys. Thumbs up to this dark theme mode. So all the links will be there in the description below. I hope you would have liked the video. So enjoy and cheers. If you appreciate my efforts, please hit the like button and give me a visit on the below platforms. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.